Brighetti Meccanica presents the innovative Brighetti broaching tool, which can be applied in a wide range of machine tools to create with maximum ease of use any polygonal figure on different types of material. As a demonstration of the versatility of the Brighetti broaching tools, 2 examples of implementation: execution of internal profile for blind hole and through hole using a CNC lathe, external profile design, an external polygonal figure, with the aid of a vertical machining center. Let's see the first figure. Let's take, for example, the creation of a ceiling cap, at the end of which a hexagonal figure is created, to allow the cap to be tightened, since the figure to be made is hexagonal. Before proceeding with broaching tool, it is necessary to perform a pre-hole, with a slightly larger diameter and chamfer that covers the maximum vertices of the polygonal figure. It is useful to remember that Brighetti Meccanica supplies the pre-drilling tables. The data refer to broaching operations with square section, hexagonal section and for TORX keys. Once the pre-hole has been performed, and, important thing, without having to carry out shooting operations, proceed with the approach of the broach to the pre-hole of the closure cap, which is in a static position. The choice of rotation speed, most suitable for a correct broaching operation. It refers to the parameters of use for machining with HSS and sintered broaches. Upon contact of the broach with the pre-hole, the broaching tool operation begins. The 2 parts assuming the same rotation speed and, thanks to the pendulum oscillatory movement conferred to the broach by the broaching tool and to the feed provided by the machine tool, you get the desired figure. At the end of the processing, the broach must come out in mode, not in rapid. Let's see now the realization of an external polygonal figure with the vertical broaching process. For this type of construction, use a vertical machining center. Broaching tool Brighetti, to whom the broach with relative adapter was applied. It is mounted on the tool holder of the machining center. The machining center spindle starts, and the broaching tool Brighetti starts spinning. Upon contact, the broach ceases to rotate while the broach body continues to rotate, and thanks to the pendulum oscillatory movement impressed on the broach by the broaching tool, and the vertical feed impressed by the machine tool, you get the desired figure. Naturally, these 2 different figures, polygonal in blind or through hole and external polygonal, can be made indifferently, exchanging their respective operating machines. In addition to this, the broaching tool Brighetti, it can also be applied on traditional lathes, milling machines and normal and radial drills. The broaching tool Brighetti Meccanica, it can be used on different types of steel, alloys, titanium, plastic materials and wood. It should be noted that the creation of the piece takes place in a complete cycle of different operations, avoiding subsequent pickup maneuvers of the piece, with maximum ease of use.